This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix contact poster not working on iPhone. The first solution is make sure to update iOS version. So go to your iPhone settings and tap on software available update, and first of all make sure to update your iOS version to 17, and then go to your phone contact and tap on my card, tap on contact photo and poster, and here make sure to enable name and photo sharing, then tap on share automatically, and here select contacts only, and then check the issue. If your contact poster still not working, then tap on edit, and now you can customize your current poster from here, or you can create a new poster. Once you created your new poster, check the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.